9 o'clock Tuesday morning. Loads of rain, but look at that rainbow. Look at the colours in the rainbow. It's right over the Sky Bridge. Beautiful. There was just a double rainbow. You can still see parts of the double over there, look. Absolutely stunning. They're so bright.
Dinner time. Parked up just before the Isle of Skye, before the bridge, so thought we'll just come and do a bit of dinner. So got the dinner cooking, some fried onions, mushrooms, warming some potato up and some suet pudding I bought from home. Bit of veg in the pan, just a quick lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it. There's Kev doing some whale watching. Have you seen anything yet? Have you seen any dolphins yet?
There's Rogie Falls. I'm still waiting for a salmon to leap. Something just jumped out of the water there, but God knows what that was. Could have been. Hopefully he'll jump before he starts pulling down with rain. Maybe not. Try it. Well, this is where we stayed last night. There's Yvonne, seeing if she can catch some wildlife, birds. I'm just watching. Yeah. That was our view last night. This is where we stayed. You can see a couple of other motorhomes here. Yeah, nice night, even though it's a little bit windy, not too bad. This morning's been nice so far. I think we're expecting some rain to come in. We're going to go and visit that viewing point up there after. It's supposed to be a whale, seal, dolphin spot. You see them coming in the bay. And right over there is Wick, Scotland, top into Scotland, the north east. We're in Berghead, and behind me, right on that peninsula there, that's Lossiemouth. We'll pop up there tomorrow. We're going to stay here another night. See you later.
just pulled into Arbroath. Over there is a little restaurant takeaway called the Bell Rock, where you can get your Arbroath smoky and chips from. Absolutely beautiful. Signal Tower Museum is there, but it's closed at the moment, probably out of season. And then we've got a fantastic sea view and a motorhome park up all along the front. Absolutely stunning. Lovely green area. Looks like a football club over there. So we're just stopping off today. Be a brilliant spot to stop overnight. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Weather's really good as well today, just a little bit breezy. So yeah, the harbour over there. Just over in the middle, just, hang on, let me get it. Ooh, there's an abbey ruin just over there. I'm not going to do that today. Where are we then, Kev?
Well, we've been here before, but we've never done it at night time to see the kelpies at night, so
we came back
to have a look.
Oh, it's changing colour now.
They do look stunning in the dark though,
don't they?
Lights. Absolutely stunning.
So different in the dark compared to the day.
Gotta have it, they stick out for miles. Look at that red. I like the blue when the blue comes out.
I don't know if I can hold the camera here though all the way.
I don't know how long it takes for each colour change. I think it's quite quick, it's changing.
Is it going orange?
Well, it's changing a different colour. Is it going green?
Orangey colour?
Yeah, orange. You can see blue going up the top there, look. See the blue coming down?
I don't know, I think that's just in a white light inside.
It's changed, it's gone yellow now, look. No, it's going sort of a...
Going green.
Green, isn't it?
Go green then blue.
They do look absolutely fantastic. I did like the blue sort of sticks out in the red.
Doesn't really show it up so good on the film.
No. Not many people here though, considering all the cars we've just seen. You know, look, it's gone like a darker green. Then hopefully it'll go blue. Could I bet they stick out on that busy main road right by though. What a distraction. Yeah, going darker green now.
Yeah.
At least it's not raining.
Yeah. It's been lovely today.
It has.
Is it going blue?
It's like a turquoise. What did you say?
I'm trying not to shake, I'm shivering a bit.
It's a little bit nippy. Go on, the blue should be coming next. I think the blue's spectacular. Come on, blue. It's taking about 20 seconds for each colour change.
I don't know.
Yeah, it looks like about 20 seconds.
I'd say more.
It's 30 seconds then. If you're on 3 minutes now for the colour change, we just wait. Is this the blue coming?
Yeah. You see the phone shaking?
That's what you should have brought the gimbal.
Couldn't be bothered.
Yeah, that's the blue, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good though.
Beautiful.
Shame I can't get the drone up.
Yeah, it's not worth risking it. Beautiful that is. morning everyone from the GARE. We've got a sunrise. See the colours of that. That is absolutely beautiful. How beautiful is that at the GARE?